Hey guys, this is Tepco Sack Repair. Today we're going to be talking about a crimping tool that I think is a must-have, especially if you're doing any audio equipment, stereo, sound systems in your car. If you're running oversized zero-gauge wire, like this stuff right here, this is some serious wire, okay? And you got to have the proper crimping tool. If you don't have it, you're going to have weak connections, you're going to have voltage drops to your amp and all that kind of stuff. So this is one of those tools that you just need to have it, okay? This is, I don't know, $40 tool, something like that, but it's a must-have. Let me show you what it is. All right, so here it is. Hydraulic wire crimping tool. This is Central Hydraulics. This is from Harbor Freight, item number 66150. And right here, guys, if you're doing stereo stuff, all right, if you're doing stereo stuff, this is the way to go, because you can get this tool into a lot of tight places, and because it's hydraulic, it you know, you don't have to have a big arm to swing it and a bunch of space for it. It's real easy to use. Get it open for you here. And that's what it comes with right there. And there is the one adapter that we used. This is a 0 gauge, and we just kind of angled off, and I'll show you what that looks like here. All right, and you can see here how the 0 gauge is not quite 0 gauge, okay? If you try to put this in here, it doesn't even come close to fitting. All right, you can see. Now the height here on both sides, the deepest part of the bit that fits in there is going to be tall enough, all right? But the side to side is not. So what I'm going to do is you'll need to just grind off the little corner edges so that you can get the 0 gauge end to fit inside there. All right, let me get that done. I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so that's all I have to do right there is just kind of open it up a little bit. And now look at it when we put it in the tool. All right, so here's that same 0 gauge. All right. Very good, no problem. All right, so the best way to do these wires is to lay the thing on there and make sure you get it to the angle that you want so that it's rotated the proper way, so you don't have to twist the wire when it's clamped on. And then you go ahead and put it in the tool. All right, and you start squeezing it. All right, there you go. Release it. And then you just got to work it out of there. And that's what the crimp looks like when it's done. And that thing is solid. You're not going to get it apart. We'll give it a good tug test right here. All right, there you go. Hard as you can. That's not going to come apart. And that's how your wire should be crimped. Okay, anything less than that, and you're going to have weak connections. You're going to have voltage drop going to your amp. You need to get these connections right. All right, guys, so the crimping force on this, it says 8 tons, all right? I think it says 10 tons on the website, but it's 8 tons, it says on the box when you get it. And it's real simple. It's got a dial on it. You want to tighten the dial before you start crimping it. Right there, you just turn it clockwise and tighten it, and then you start pumping it up. And you can see how it closes. All right, and it'll close all the way up, and it's going to crimp that wire solid. And then when you get it all good and solid squeezed, to release it, you just unscrew it and release it back down. It's that simple. And this thing really makes this job a lot easier. Again, when you're working on the car, it just makes it real simple. All right, guys, so that's it. I thought I wanted to show you that tool, and I thought it was, be a good addition to your toolbox. How much was that tool?
That was about 45, around 50.
Yeah, so around 40 bucks if you get, the coupons and all that kind of stuff at Harbor Freight. But that connection right there, if you go ahead and cut that connection where we crimped it, all that wire inside is just going to be one solid piece, okay? You're not going to see all the fibers. That's how hard that thing crushes it, and that's the way to go, guys. So hopefully you like this video and you get to add that tool to your toolbox. Until next time, guys, this is Tepco Sack Repair.